Hello and welcome back, my friends. I was just out in the garden doing a bunch of sheet mulching, mostly utilizing the artichoke and cardoon plants. We had some rains come in. There's enough break in the weather now. I can pick up the camera and just share with you guys what I've been up to. So over here, I've been taking off some of the mature growth on these artichokes. They were kind of crowding the space. And you can see I've got a big pile now. Some of these leaves, check this one out. Literally 6 feet. Let's see. Taller than me. So there is an abundance of mulching material right now because of these artichokes and cardoons. And what I found with this rain we had come in, because I haven't put down a fresh layer of wood chips, is it got quite muddy in some areas of the garden. Here's one spot here. That's why I got the slippers on. Take off the muddy shoes before you go back in the house. Anyway, you just take a few of these leaves, and this is all off of one patch of 3 artichokes. Originally there was one, and then it had pups. Anyway, you just lay down a few of these leaves like sheeting, and there you have it. No more mud on the shoes. I did this mulching yesterday under the goji berries. Those are mainly cardoon plants chopped up. It gets really dry, this area gets full sun, so we did a nice mulch there. So here's the back side of that artichoke. This is what I've been doing. These are growing right under this Florida King peach tree here. This is good because right behind here we got a young Panache tiger fig. This was planted last year. The chickens have been kind of digging around the roots. It's also an area that gets really dry. And we've got a large cardoon growing over here that I need to prune back too. You can see how it's starting to encroach. Over here it's the same thing. You just pop those leaves off. Open it up. So we'll put down some of these leaves around the fig tree here, create a nice mulch and protection on the soil surface from the chickens. And I was out here a couple days ago cleaning up most of the artichokes and doing the same thing. See, we got some Egyptian walking onions springing back underneath here. Bring some light into them. And there you have it. We've got a mulched fig tree. I'm now just going to chop it up a bit with the hori hori. Now that's more of a mulch. That's going to break down quicker, add to the soil profile. It's also going to allow for water to sift through instead of sheet off the larger leaves. So that's what I've been up to out here. And just wanted to say, one great thing about gardening is that when I'm out here, my mind is at peace. I'm always the most grounded and well thought when I'm out in nature. Try to be positive. Think abundance. Take care of yourself, take care of your health. Eat well. Exercise. Meditate if you can. Anyway, guys, I'm going to head in. Sun's going down. Hope you're all having a good one and you found some time to get out in the garden. Get at least one thing done today. Spring is right around the corner and you'll definitely be happy if you did. So until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.